Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today I'm going to read a touch and feel book called as Farm. In this book you learn about the textures and the beautiful sounds your favorite barnyard animals make. So let's get started. Horse.
Mommy horse.
Mommy horse calls her foal. Come and eat your hay. Mommy horse, baby horse. Look at the baby horse's fur, it's so soft. Who else can you see in the picture? We can see a tiny rat and a chick and a beautiful butterfly and a bird. The bird says,
Little bird.
Next we have sheep. Sheep says,
Mommy sheep.
Mommy sheep watches her lambs as they skip and play. Here we can see two lambs playing. What else can we see? We can see a tiny snail, a chick, a butterfly, a bee, and a duck. Duck says,
Duck.
Next we have cow. Cow says,
Mommy cow.
Mommy cow and her calf nibble grass in the sun. Wow, look at the cow's fur. It's like silk. Next we have pig.
Mommy pig.
Mommy pig and her piglets roll in the mud for fun. Next we have chicks.
Chicks.
Mommy hen and her chicks are busy pecking the dirt. Look at the mommy hen wings, flap flap. And look at the chicks. They say cheep cheep. Next we have goat.
Mommy goat.
And mommy goat is telling her kids not to eat the farmer's shirt. Wow, look at the goat's fur. It's so thick. And what else can we see in this book? We can see a tiny little bee. The bee says,
Bumblebee.
The end. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, kids.